Hello guys, your boy Richard here. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to create your free website using Builderall platform under 15 minutes. Now, I've been getting questions a lot from people who are apparently confused on how to build a website, how to create a website, because it's been a stumbling block. If you're one of those people that are having issues on how to build a website or how to create a website for free without spending any money, these videos are, for example, is going to walk you through on how to do that and also how to be able to get started immediately without spending any money of your own. Now, this is free. This is completely free. This platform, like I said here, is Builderall. Is new, like you're seeing this right now. There is a link below this video here. If you click on that link, it will take you directly to this platform here, where you can be able to see how you can be able to build your free website using what I'm going to show you here, walk through, and be able to start up quickly. Now, if you come to this website, you're going to see something like this. Build your free website. It is stated there. There is no hidden agenda. You can see build your website for free. Now, all you have to do is you can easily click here to start, or you can walk through. Let me just walk you through what to expect, what you see. You see, you have guides on how to build your website for example, people that have already done this. I'm talking about professionals, gurus, people who are very big in marketing, online marketing. They're actually using this platform. I always find new platforms, new programs that are very, very lucrative, that are very, very good and helpful, and they bring them forward to you. Like last time I had a video similar to this, but today I'm doing this particularly to show you that you have a lot of options out there, guys, but you need to find the options and know what you're doing. Also help you to guide you to which you'll be able to use, so you can make an informed choice of your own. Now, if you're using this particular platform, it has what they call Cheetah Builder. This is drag and drop, easy to use. Cheetah Builder speed. It got speed on it that will enable you to rank your website quickly on Google. And if you are tired, for example, you're tired of losing customers, money because your website is slow or doesn't work, this particular software is going to help you to do that and start getting those customers as soon as possible for free. Now, when you scroll down, you can see, of course, the feature that came with it. There's what they call Pigeon website speed test. It is compatible with Google. This is what Google uses. These guys have scored 99% and 92% on each test. So what this means is any website you build with this platform is gonna be super recognized, super speed, super fast, and ranking performance is gonna be very, very quick on Google. And you can see this result test here is performing 97%. Page size, with this big size of page size, of course yours is not gonna be this big as a new website. Loading time it is unbelievable, and all this is for free. You're not even paying for these features here. It is already built in. Now let's go down quickly and I'll show you. It said all under your control. That means you can edit and audit, drag and drop, test, do whatever you like with this particular website. That means it is yours. It's not under anybody's control. You have it, you own it, but it's free, of course. Now, people wondering how, and this is it, guys. You don't need to be a guru, you don't need to be a professional programmer to actually do these things. It's simple drag and drop. You see, and it's perfect for mobile friendly. That means any website you build is already highly responsive. The software, the program is already encoded, made it more responsive with mobile. So that means you don't have to be tweaking anything else on your own. As you can see, for example, what they have here. Now, if you scroll down, you can see, you can also, create a membership website for free as well. It's not just creating a website, guys. If you have a course you're running, have a program, teaching program, online course program you're offering, you can use this particular platform to actually create a restricted area website for members, and you get them. You put a premium on it. That means for people to get access to it, they have to pay you some certain amount of money every month. That means it is restricted. You can do all this with simple drag and drop with this particular platform. So you don't have to be a programmer, a guru to do all this, guys. It's simple. It's already done for you. So that's what I mean. I think it's upon me to look for software or program that are very helpful like this, based on the questions I get every day, and then I produce and I deliver that video for you in a kind of easy to use, simple reviews, a guide that will show you what to do, so that you will know that this is possible. It's not impossible. See, if you are if you're into blogging as well, they have blogging compatible plugins that can enable you to do that. For example, you have something like this for if you're into dogs, for example, it's huge market out there. You can talk about anything. You talk about your passion, you can talk about your designs, whatever you like about, or something that have to do with your e-commerce or product or services. You can still blog about it. And don't forget, engagement increases traffic, it increases traffic and interaction, and that converts a lot of people coming to your website. Now, you can also create a funnel with this particular platform. If you are doing upsell, downsell, or middle sell, or whichever type of sales you're using to walk your buyers through, to be able to keep them in tune with your offering, they have that to do it for you, for free. So I know a lot of people spend a lot of money on creating, finding a sale funnel, but this particular software, you can have all that by yourself or for free in seconds. I mean, it's unbelievable. And when you talk about support, these guys I actually tested their support, team personally. I rang them up. I'm not going to show you all that here, of course, but because of time, don't get me wrong, but I rang them up. I tested them. These guys are online constantly, and they have live chat, to enable you to answer any of your questions. And they have numerous languages you can choose: English, Spanish, French, Italy, Latin, anything you want. You can just click it and they have somebody standing there immediately to talk to you. Not robot, I don't mean robot, guys. And if you can also pick a ticket, of course, but you can communicate with people. They have a little bit of slowdown now because of the coronavirus, pandemic thing going on, because they're answering questions, they can still answer you, but it took a little bit of time. Everybody knows that. Even the bank you're using will tell you that it is general. But right now, what I'm saying is, this particular program, if you get started with it, you can build a website free of charge quickly as possible. And I will show you what the packages are, for example, quickly, without wasting your time. Remember, I said under 15 minutes, right? Now, this is 6 minutes plus. Now it's going to 7 minutes. And I'll quickly go to the plan to show you actually what you are getting, because you have a great choice here to make. It is wonderful. I myself, I couldn't believe it. I personally tried their landing pages for free, and I converted 420 visitors under 1 week. It's amazing. I'm still monitoring it. I'm still tweaking. I'm very, very excited about it, and also I'm looking forward to, going all in fully with this. Now, they have Builder. They have a different plan. You can join, of course. You can get started, of course. For example, these plans are fantastic. If you have the money to go for it, you can get all these features on it. But today I'm going to talk about this particular section here, which is free. I just want you to get started, guys, because I don't want you to have any excuse not to get your business started. Everybody's sitting at home right now. You need to do something. You need to convert any skill you have in you to start making money online. And you can't get that started without a website. You need a presence. You need an online presence. You need an online, projection to enable you to communicate with your clients, communicate with your customers, communicate with your potential, leads, coming to their website. Be able to tell them what you are, what to do, and be able to lead them to actually take an action that will enable you to make money online, of course. Now, this free version is what I'm going to, most importantly, pay attention to. That you have these features here: Cheetah drag and drop website builder, which is great. You have Cheetah funnel builder. Funnel builder is included. That means you're not only building a website, you're building a funnel. That means you have a product or services or courses. You can be able to use this funnel to channel people on the way from visitor to purchases, and also upsell them again or downsell them and keep them returned. You have unlimited subdomains. Subdomains mean other subdomains that comes with your domain name. I'm talking about domain name, guys. Domain name. This is fantastic. You have no excuse anymore. Now they have unlimited membership area. For example, if you have membership site website, it is unlimited. You have 400 people, 500 people being a part of your member. This free website here enable you to do that. And everybody knows today the membership website is doing very well, because you have a group on Facebook. You can easily pull them from that group to your membership website, restrict it, and also offer your services which they will pay, and also offer new services which other people will come in and pay. This is all very, very lucrative, guys. This tool is here to enable you to do that for free. You don't need to spend any money. If you have money, then if you want to upgrade, if you want to explode your business to the highest level and start making the millions people talk about online, then you can be able to upgrade to any of these packages here and then see what this offers you. Remember, guys, just keep watching. The features are still going. You see, you are still getting the same features with the premium, guys. You are still getting the same features with the split testing, bump sale, upsell, downsales, super checkout for affiliate sales. You can still organize affiliate program for your product or services and manage those affiliate programs within your website. All this is included in your free website. Guys, I don't know if you can be able to see anything that does this better than anything anywhere else. Okay, you have page loading acceleration, mobile page loading acceleration, smart pop-up. This is for increasing traffic on every website. Website sharing, of course, if you have team of workers that are working with you in different countries, can be able to give them their funnel sharing. Not only build funnel, you can build your funnel, you can share your funnel for your team all over the world to manage and grow your business. You have countdown, evergreen, fixed date timer. This means if you have an offer today that is going online and you want people to be able to, you want to put a scarcity on it, and then you can be able to use this particular plugin to put a timer on it. And that way people will know what's that timer reaches at a certain time, the product will increase, the price will increase, or the product will finish, or the product will stop being online. So this is to get people to take action quickly. All these are for free. Now if you have money to upgrade, then you can now go ahead and do that with the other feature that comes with this particular software. But I will stick with this free version, guys, because it's amazing, it's unbelievable what you can do with this particular free version. Like I said, 15 minutes, it's less than 15 minutes now, and already you know what to do and how to get started. All you can do is just click here, guys. You are in, dive in. Let me just click that, for example. It is very simple. It's amazing what this does. It is wonderful. You click this, you go right in, you start building your free website just like that, and then you start converting your customers to buying customers. You can uploading your products, whatever it is, whatever you're doing, whatever you intend to do. It doesn't take much time. For example, my computer is already taking a lot of few minutes to load, but it will get there. But what I mean is, this is what it look like, guys. This is what it look like. It gives you this for free. Then it gives you option to upgrade. In fact, you can actually do the whole premium for 14 days for free if you're interested in going for that. But if you want to stay free, guys, all you need is cheetah, drag and drop, and then you start making money. You start making money. Now, or you can use this drag and drop for email marketing as well. Yeah. And then all this is included in your free package, guys. And they have tutorials to walk you through, the process I just mentioned. For example, like I said, guys, due to increased demand for live chat and so on and so forth, the coronavirus. That's what I just mentioned. You can just read that here. This is just general, but that doesn't stop what you're doing, what you're, actually trying to achieve right now. But at the end of the day, it is very simple, powerful method you can actually use. I've just blogged. You can see I've started, guys. It's very simple. So there is no payment. I didn't pay anything to get to this stage, and you exactly can do the same. So that's why I brought this to you here. That's why I made it possible for you to be able to get access to this and have no more excuse that you can't build your website for free. So this is it, guys. If you found value to this particular video today, please, it's not a must. You don't have to. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like, share, and subscribe so you can be able to have more means to be able to produce more videos for you. If you're watching this on Facebook, of course, like, share, comment, share your questions. I'm here to answer your questions. If you're watching this on my website, please do the same. Like, share, distribute, and spread the word. You don't have to do this, guys. This is not the most important part of this, but the most important is to make sure you pay attention to the end of this message and this video. Do exactly what I did. You can get this for free, start for free. You can see these are paid premium. You don't have to, but this one here can enable you to do that. Create a free website today and start building your content and making money online. Thank you so much, guys. And stay safe. God bless. Bye bye.